Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can delete YouTube videos on your iPhone or Android device. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step procedure on how you can delete your YouTube videos. So to begin with, update your application, check your internet connection as well. If you're on your iOS device, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So watch this video till the end. Now to begin with, open up your YouTube account, or just randomly open up the YouTube. After that, it's going to take you to this page. Here, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, tap on your profile once again right on top. So after that, tap on switch account, which is right at the bottom. Now open up the particular account from where you actually want to delete the video. Now just go ahead and open up the account. So as you can see, this is the particular account. Now you can go to you, which is right at the bottom. So while you're on this page, you can see right at the bottom you have this option as your videos. Tap on your videos, and over here you'll be able to see all of the videos that you've uploaded or that's either saved on your draft. Now if you want to save the video that you've already posted, so tap on the three dot icon next to it, click on delete button. Once you've done that, there will be a confirmation stating that whether you want to delete the video or not. If you want to delete it, tap on the delete button. As soon as you click on the delete button, this particular video will be deleted from your content and you'll no longer be able to restore it. And similarly, if you want to delete the draft video that is not posted, do the same procedure. Tap on the three dot icon, click on the delete button, tap on delete. And that's how you can delete your YouTube videos on your Android or iOS device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.